Hey, it's Rachel Rofe, and in this video, we're going to go over some Mother's Day gift ideas that honor all types of moms. So these designs aren't just for the holidays, but designs that you can sell year-round. Basically, my team and I looked on Etsy and some other places to scout out some less conventional searches for Mother's Day that are going to be less competitive than a general Mother's Day keyword. If you're trying to make like general funny mom mug or something, it's going to be hard to stand out. However, there are a bunch of things that you can do that are less competitive, that you can still get sales both on Mother's Day, like for peak Mother's Day, but then also all year round. Because if you follow the low-hanging system, you know that I love to create designs that are going to sell evergreen. So let's dig in. And before we do, please make sure if you think that this is going to be helpful or you like the other videos that I've been putting out, please hit the subscribe button. That's just going to help me to see that this is useful for you and to spend more time on making videos. Okay, so let's dig in. The first category that you can make designs for are for surrogate moms. So these are designs that you can make either intended as gifts for surrogate moms themselves or for the moms who are going to raise the babies once they're born. So for this, you could make designs like, here's a great one, I help build families, what's your superpower? That's a perfect one. Proud surrogate mom. There's another one that said not showing, but glowing. Their bun, my oven. These are just really cool. I did babysitting for real surrogate mom. So these are just some design ideas that people have done for surrogate moms that are great. And I mean, again, this is something, people have babies every day. People use surrogates every day. So it might be that you make a heightened sales during Mother's Day, but certainly these could sell year round as well. Another one is rainbow mom gifts. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the term rainbow baby mom, that refers to mothers who have a baby after they've had a miscarriage. And so designs that you can make for people in this market would be, for example, coming soon with a little picture of the rainbow. The storm's over mom on a onesie is such a great idea. Here's one, rainbow of hope. And you can take these types of designs, I'm not saying take these exact designs, but you can take these kind of sentiments and put them on all different types of products. Now, even here, mama in the making with the picture and the tiny miracle with the rainbow, I think these are awesome ideas for things that would sell, again, year round. The next one, miscarriage gift for mom. So if people have had a miscarriage, sometimes putting a design on a product can be just something that someone can get for someone who's been through a miscarriage to kind of show that they're there and they care for them. So here are some great design ideas that you could get some inspiration from. A moment in my tummy, a lifetime in my heart, forever in our hearts. I'll hold you in my heart until I can hold you in heaven. There's some great different ideas here. You'll always be my favorite what if. There's more to my story. So designs for miscarriage, for mothers who have gone through miscarriage would certainly make sense as well. Another one would be infertility gifts. So a lot of women struggle with infertility issues as they try to become pregnant, and it can take them a long time. They may need to undergo IVF. So the pineapple is a symbol of infertility. So any way that you can be able to kind of incorporate this fruit into your designs would be awesome. I've seen some designs that use like a cartoon pineapple in place of certain letters. So here are some great ideas. You're a warrior and you've got this with a picture of the pineapple. We've got some other ones here. IVF got this for socks. It's a great one. Or you could put on all kinds of products. Positive vibe only with the pineapple in the middle. Wake, pray, transfer day. These are some really great ones. And then of course you can do things not even just for like human moms, right? For example, fur mom gifts. You could do, here's some great ones. It's not dog hair, it's a furfetti. Or from fur mama to baby mama if they are making a human baby. But here's some other ones. These are all great designs. Horse mama, you could do different dog breeds, cat breeds, like Boston Terrier mom, Boston Terrier dad too, really. Here's some other cute design ideas. So there's lots of different things that you can do for even like different types of animals as well. Plant mom gifts, that's another one. So similar to moms who love their pets like children, other moms really love their plants. So these are for plant moms here. And again, you can kind of keep these designs general, or you can get more specific and reference certain kinds of plants or flowers. So for example, Crazy Plant Lady, maybe there's a specific type of breed or a specific type of thing that they're gardening. Maybe you could put that in there as well. And some more, just one more, thanks for helping me grow. Here's some just great ideas for plant moms. Then, of course, you can do designs for stepmoms. So I've seen things sell using like stepmom, stepmother, bonus mom. Here's a great one, a badass bonus mom. You may not have given me life, but you have certainly made my life better. This is a great personalized mug. And then a couple more designs. Here's a funny, I think me being your stepdaughter is enough of a gift. You could probably say stepchild for moms and for daughters and sons. Bonus mama, I'm glad that dad met you. These are some really cute ideas that you can use. And I hope that you find all of these designs really useful for your Amazon, Etsy, or eBay shop. If you would like to learn more ideas, I'm going to link to my blog post in the description below, so we have more in depth there. And then again, make sure to subscribe, hit like and subscribe if you like this, so that I'll make more videos and hopefully give you some more useful practical content that you can use to make more sales. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Have a great day.